So it's early garlic harvesting. So basically what we do is run the spade between the rows, just stay away from the bulb a little bit and push the spade down so you don't damage any of the bulbs. Just run it between the rows, lift up at the same time. That way you loosen the bulbs, but you're not actually damaging the bulbs in any way. Just put them up like that, and a quick tap. You don't need to get all the soil off in the first instant. You get the bulk of it off. Nice big juicy bulbs. So these are the early ones. So it's about the middle of November. So this is about the time you do these ones. Shake. As you can see, nice big bulbs. Forecast for rain the rest of the week, so I want to get them done now before the soil gets too wet, because it's easy to get the soil from around the root system when it's like this. Okay, that's the first row.